Guys, we have changed and we are moving forward, looking for a beautiful restaurant to have our lunch, and we are going to be back at the room. We are going to rest a bit. Then evening we are going to explore the tea farms, inshallah. And once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching and sharing your comments on the channel. Appreciate it, everyone. This is the beauty of Sri Lanka. Noralai. Jumper azat kala şu washing ha. मगर अच्छी लगे थी पेशाब पीते गोश्त के जानते कांड ना करना जानते हुश बच जाओ सर कबीले चलो आ रहा वाह They're still walking on the streets. Weather seems very cold. It's nice. The weather is very beautiful. Guys, we are exploring a bit. I don't know what it has, but really this place is so beautiful. Cloudy, windy, weather is cold, greenery, it's amazing. Every places you can see the horses. Look at this tree. It's really amazing with this kind of horse next to it. Makes it more beautiful. This is the Victoria Park, and after evening we are going to have a visit in this zebra crossing. This is the restaurant. We are going to have our lunch, and it's very beautiful from inside. We came for the lunch. Let's see, we have chosen some seafood. This is the fruit market. हाँ इसी का था ना अब ये जरूर कितना चीज की Now, have some seafood. Entire place is so quiet and the nature is talking. So peaceful.